Hello, my name is Maggie, and this is my Rube Goldberg project for 3rd grade. So, this car will go down this ramp, hit this marble. The marble will go down a second ramp, which is a little steeper, and it will collide with the other marble. And this marble either will go down this way, will go in a circular route, or it will go in a zigzag path. And then, but it will always go down here, and this is the xylophone. So when the marble comes down on the xylophone, it will go down through this little tube and go down the last ramp and go up and ring the final bell. And that's my Rube Goldberg project for 3rd grade. And I'm gonna show you it now.